Asuntoskeittiö Kymenpuisto.
Very amazing also today on the 14th of July 2025. We have Virtakuja one sticky speed. You can also watch the sticky say here that they were almost completely impossible. We got both of them now still.
Yeah.
Best is 6 versus for 80 grams. And yeah, we have 6 wash here and it's faster. Capacity is as large as well, it's really good. So versus 15836, built in 1968, to the right here. Also in Heinola, Lahti region in Finland. Allow the sounds as well here.
Same. Inspected by maintained by Suomen hissirakointi.
And it's amazing that they made them faster for just 6 rows.
Yeah. But it's 7 floors tall.
Oh yeah. Okay. Actually 7, yeah, like, because between K and 1 is taller, that's it.
That's